Hello everyone. Finally, as one of my friends used to say, seed airdrop listing confirmed. The listing date for seed airdrop is finally confirmed, and the confirmed date is April 1, 2025. What you must do before it goes live, that is what I want to show you in this video. As a participant in the seed airdrop with allocated tokens, it is essential to take proactive steps to maximize your benefits ahead of the upcoming listing. And in this video, I'm going to give you and guide you to help you navigate this process effectively. Number one thing you need to do is to confirm your token allocation. I know most people have done this. You verify your eligibility. Ensure you've completed all necessary steps to qualify for the airdrop. This includes tasks like joining official channels, engaging in this and that, and I'm sure you've done that. The next thing you need to do is to check your allocation. Confirm the exact number of seed tokens allocated to you. This information is typically available through the project's official communication channels or your registered account. You can check on your Telegram seed mini app and you're going to see your allocation. Now, after you've seen your allocation, you need to secure your tokens. You set up a compatible wallet, install a digital wallet that supports seed tokens. Ensure it's secure and that you've backed up your private keys or recovery phrases. Then the next thing you do is to transfer your tokens. If required, transfer your seed tokens from the Airdrop platform to your personal wallet. Follow official guidelines to avoid any loss. Then after that, you need to stay informed about the listing. The listing date is April 1. Previously, it was said it's going to list on December 30th, 2024. And then there have been many speculations, and finally, just some hours ago, Seed came up on the official Twitter angle to mention that April 1 is the date. I just hope it's not going to be an April Fool thing for everyone, but it's going to be a good one for everyone. Now, expected listing price for these, there are projections for the initial listing price of Seed tokens, and it varies. There are some people that project that it's going to list at 0.005 to $0.008. This is according to market analysts, and then the initial listing price for seed token is expected to fall between 0.005 and 0.008 per token. Another set of analysts are predicted 0.024 to 0.044 based on current trends and community traction. Early projections suggest seed may list between 0.024 and $0.044. Now, what you need to do, apart from what I've said earlier, is to develop a strategic plan. Number one, you need to assess the market conditions. So you monitor the cryptocurrency market as the listing date approaches. Factors such as market sentiment, trading volume, and overall crypto trends can influence seed's price movement. Definitely, almost all crypto airdrops that listed, in the moment it lists, the price dropped significantly. This is because many people have been farming or have been mining or have been taking part in the game or in the project, and now they just want to cash out. So they just go ahead and dump their tokens no matter how much. So, but you need to define your goals, and then in doing that, you have to decide whether you aim for short-term gains or long-term holding. Then your strategy should align with your financial objectives and risk tolerance. Then you have to set realistic targets based on expected listing price ranges. Establish realistic price targets for selling or accumulating more seed tokens. So you also, instead of selling, you also can be part of the people that are going to be buying the seed token. See, the crypto market are being bearish for some time. Any token that comes, people are selling. A time is coming when all those tokens that have been selling, they will also start to buy. So you have to plan ahead. Now, apart from this, you have to engage in the community, join official channels, participate in Seed's official forums, social media groups, and discussion platforms. And then you have to engage with the community. If you have any question you ask, like the comment section of this YouTube channel is a community. Any question you have, you can ask. If I don't answer, others can answer. Even if I answer, others can also answer your question for you. And that is why it is a community. So if you have any question or comment, drop it in the comment section of this video and justice will be done to it. So you have to engage with the community and then that can provide valuable insights and keep you updated on any developments. Then you also need to share your experiences, discuss strategies and experiences with us in the comment section, and then with other fellow participants of the seed, because collaborative discussions can offer new perspectives and enhance your decision-making process. Now, before I go, I need to let you know that you have to exercise caution. Beware of scams. As the listing date nears, just in about 10 days or thereabout, fraudulent schemes may emerge. Only rely on information from official seed channels and avoid sharing sensitive information with anyone. Then you have to avoid impulse decisions. Price volatility is common during initial listings. Stay composed and make decisions based on thorough analysis rather than reacting to short-term market fluctuations. By following these steps, you can position yourself to maximize the benefits of your seed token allocation. As the listing date approaches, stay informed, plan strategically, and engage with the community to navigate this exciting phase effectively. Cryptocurrency investments carry inherent risk. Conduct thorough research and consult financial advisors before making investment decisions. So this is where I'm going to draw the line on this video at this time. I want you to like this video, share the link of this video with your family and friends, and keep coming back to this channel for more. Personally, what I got from seed was not too fantastic, because the procedure for the seed was a bit cumbersome for me, and it was a bit technical for me. You have to do this, you have to buy this, it has to lay egg, it has to do all sort of things. So I did not really take part much. I just did a little I could do. My wife got like ×5 of what I got, and what I got was so minimal. So I'm not really expecting much from seed, so I'm not planning to sell it. I'm just planning to keep whatever I am given. So on this channel, I teach you how to make money online and offline, and I make a boast that if you keep coming to this channel for 6 months and your life does not change for good, then you should stop watching my videos, because if I'm sent to you, your life is going to be transformed for good. If your life is not transformed for good in 6 months on this channel, that means I am not sent to you, and I permit you, and in fact I encourage you to go and check other channels. But I am certain that I'm sent to you to teach you how to make money online and offline. I have made so many videos about businesses offline, especially, and in recent times I'm coming to the online and the crypto space. I'm bringing real world information to you. Now the Pi coin is there. Bitcoin came, many people did not farm it, they didn't mine it. Pi came 6 years ago, many did not mine it. In fact, I got to know about 3 to 4 months ago or 5 months ago. Now we also have Delta mining airdrop. You can check the videos I did before this one. You go to see the explanation and how you can use my referral link to join. On Delta, you must be referred by someone. You cannot just join on your own. So go ahead and click my referral link for Delta, and you are going to be glad you did. I'm going to talk to you in the next one. Before then, subscribe to this channel, like this video, share the link of this video with your family and friends, and drop your comment and questions in the comment section below. This video popping up by the side from my channel is the next thing to watch now.